Is your latest YouTube video just sitting there, gathering digital dust? Turns out, a lot of new YouTubers make a simple mistake that holds them back. This video is going to spill the beans on why hitting publish right away might actually be hurting your channel, and then we'll show you the smarter way to upload your videos to get more eyes on them. Why rushing your video out isn't always a good idea.
You can't rush this process. You just can't.
A bunch of smaller YouTube channels tend to set their videos to public the second they're done uploading. This is a common slip-up. Interestingly, most of the big successful YouTubers almost never do this instantly. Why not? Because when you immediately make your video public, you're not giving YouTube's super smart system enough time to truly understand what your video is all about.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
This system, often called the algorithm, needs a bit of breathing room to read your video's title, check out your thumbnail, that crucial picture people see before clicking, go through your description and analyze your tags and hashtags.
You're here to analyze me.
Think of it like this. Imagine you've baked a delicious cake, but instead of setting it out nicely with a clear sign saying what it is and who it's for, you just quickly throw it into a passing crowd. A few people might grab a slice by chance, but most will just walk by because they have no clue what they're looking at.
I'm so confused.
YouTube's algorithm is like a helpful server trying to match your amazing cake to the right eaters. If you rush the process, it can't do its job properly. It gets confused, or worse, it just has to guess. If the algorithm doesn't get enough time to figure out your video, it might end up showing your awesome content to the wrong people.
What's that?
Picture this. You've made a fantastic video about football, but YouTube sends it to someone who only watches cooking tutorials. They're definitely not going to click on it, are they? They'll just scroll right past. And when people scroll past your video without clicking, YouTube gets a clear signal. Either your video isn't very interesting, or it's being shown to the wrong audience.
I don't want to watch anymore.
This sadly harms your video's chances of being seen by more and more people. This can lead to low views, not many new subscribers, and hardly anyone engaging with your content, which can feel really discouraging and make you want to give up on YouTube. So, to steer clear of all that frustration, it's really important to stop uploading your videos directly to public. The smarter way to upload, using YouTube Studio's desktop site. Okay, big tip right here. If you're regularly uploading videos using just the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app on your phone, you should seriously consider stopping that habit.
Stop it!
Yes, it's super convenient for quick uploads, but there's a significant drawback. When you use those mobile apps for publishing, YouTube doesn't actually send a notification to your subscribers in their main subscription feed that you've put up a new video.
I'm starting to wonder if I should follow a new path.
That's a huge missed opportunity to reach your loyal viewers. They might never even know you've uploaded something new unless they specifically go searching for it or stumble upon it. Instead, when you use the YouTube Studio dashboard on a computer, and here's a neat trick, you can even access it on your phone using Google Chrome by making sure to request the desktop site. You'll find a super important setting called Publish to Subscription Feed and Notify Subscribers. This option is your golden ticket.
I see that you're going to come into some money. A lot of money.
It makes sure YouTube actually sends out an alert to your audience, letting them know you've got fresh content ready for them. It's like sending out a personal invitation to all your fans, giving them a heads up that it's time to check out your latest creation. This small but powerful trick alone can make a huge difference in getting those crucial initial views and setting your video up for a strong start.
I'm gonna go with like popularity demon.
Understanding your options for who sees your video. When you're in the YouTube Studio dashboard setting up your video, you'll come across a section called Visibility. Here you'll see a few important choices. Think of these as different ways to introduce your video to the world, save or publish, and schedule. Let's break down what each of these means for your content. Private. This is the most secretive option. If you set a video to private, absolutely only you can see it.
Privacy is very important to us.
It's completely hidden from everyone else on YouTube. However, it's not totally isolated. You can still share a private video with specific friends or family by typing in their email addresses. They'll receive a special link that only works for them. This is perfect for personal videos you've uploaded for safekeeping, or if you want to share something with just a select few people without making it public knowledge. Consider it your super secret video vault. accessible only by your chosen few.
I'm excited to see what's behind this wall.
Unlisted. This option gives you a bit more flexibility than private. When a video is unlisted, it means it won't pop up in YouTube's search results. It won't appear on your channel page for everyone to see. And it won't show up in anyone's public subscription feed. It's essentially hidden unless someone has the direct link to it. You're completely in charge of who sees it by simply choosing whether to share or not share that link.
We have to share?
This is great for sharing a video with a small group for feedback before it goes live, sending it to a client for review, or perhaps using it as a bonus piece of content for a very specific exclusive audience. It's like having an unlisted phone number. Only those you give the number to can call you. Public. This means anyone and everyone can see your video. It will appear in search results on your channel page and in people's subscription feeds, especially if you upload through the dashboard and opt to notify subscribers. But as we chatted about earlier, directly setting your video to public right away or using an instant premiere, which also makes it public immediately, doesn't give YouTube's system the necessary time to properly understand your video and find the absolute best audience for it. It's rushing the crucial matchmaking process, which often leads to your video being shown to less interested viewers.
I'm not interested.
Schedule options. Set as premiere. This is a really cool feature that's kind of like holding a special movie showing for your video before it officially goes live. When you set a video as a premiere, YouTube will actively promote your thumbnail to different people, letting them know that a brand new video about that specific topic is coming soon. It builds anticipation. There's a live countdown timer on the video's watch page, and viewers can even set a reminder to make sure they don't miss it.
3, 2, 1!
This is a fantastic idea for folks who create music videos, movie trailers, or short funny skits, because it generates excitement and gets people ready and waiting to watch as soon as it drops. It's essentially a special live preview event for your YouTube video. Schedule, highly recommended. This is, without a doubt, the most important setting you can use, and the one we strongly suggest almost all YouTubers adopt.
This matters. This matters so much.
When you schedule your content, you give YouTube's powerful algorithm plenty of time to really look at your video, analyze all its details, like keywords, topic, watch patterns, get it fully prepared, and then, most importantly, find the perfect audience who will genuinely want to watch it. This allows YouTube to make much smarter recommendations, sending your video to people who are truly interested in that type of content.
Really?
Yeah.
This leads to better initial views, more overall watch time, and ultimately, much more growth for your channel. It's like giving that smart helper ample time to do all their research and make sure your amazing cake gets served to exactly the right people who will truly appreciate it. If you're serious about creating and monetizing a successful Faceless YouTube channel, I invite you to my free community. The link is the very first one in the description below.
Oh, we're clicking it.
How to schedule your videos the right way. To schedule your content correctly and give your videos the absolute best shot at success, follow these simple yet vital steps. Pick a future date. This step is super important. Don't schedule your video for the same day you upload it. The whole point here is to give YouTube time to work its magic behind the scenes. Pick a date that's at least one day in the future. For example, if today is Tuesday, July 8th, 2025, you should schedule it for at least July 9th, 10th, or even later.
If I don't have a schedule, I don't take a shower.
The more time you give it, especially if your channel is brand new, the better. Aim for a few days if you can manage it. Set a time. Decide on the exact time you want your video to go public. Think carefully about when your audience is most active and likely to be on YouTube. For many channels, evenings like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. local time are popular, but you should always check your own YouTube analytics to see when your specific audience has their peak viewing times. This data is gold.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
Publish. After you've carefully picked the future date and the precise time, simply click the Publish, or Schedule, depending on the exact wording you see in YouTube Studio, button. That's it. You're all set, and your video is ready for its big moment.
That's it. That's all you have to do.
Once you've scheduled a video, you don't have to be online or do anything else for it to go live. YouTube will automatically put it out there and start recommending it to viewers at precisely your chosen time. This totally helps you avoid the stress of having to upload videos every single day right when you might be busy, and it lets you plan your content way ahead. You can even record and edit a bunch of videos at once, then schedule them all out for weeks or even months in advance. Knowing that YouTube will have all the time it needs to properly prepare and find the right viewers for each one is a huge weight off your shoulders.
Relax, relax, relax.
It makes managing your channel much smoother, more relaxed, and ultimately, much more effective. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button to let us know we did a good job, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome YouTube growth tips that actually work and can help your channel thrive. If you're really keen on boosting your watch hours, make sure to check out our other video where we explain step-by-step how one person managed to gain over 3,600 watch hours in just 7 hours. And yes, with these strategies, you can absolutely do it too.
Me too.
Thanks so much for hanging out and learning with us. Want to put these strategies into action and build a profitable Faceless YouTube channel? Access my free community now. You'll find the link waiting for you at the top of the description.